So let me give you some short brief about IQ option platform. IQ option has a lot of options: binary, digital, forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, ETFs. So now this is the Euro USD pairs. You can change the pairs by click here. Okay, you can add another pairs by click these buttons. Okay, and up to 9 pairs you will be able to add. Now you are seeing only one chart. You can see all together here. Okay, and you can see your trading history, whatever trade you have taken from here. This is actually chart type. Now you are seeing the candles. You can see the line chart and bar chart too. So here you can change the chart type, and this is the candle times. It means candle length. 5 seconds to 1 month you can pick. So it will show you later in deeply. So from here you can change your time duration of the candle, and from here you can draw some lines, like this is the horizontal lines. If you want to draw trend lines, something like this, so from here you can find it. Okay, and if you want to add some indicator here, you can add from this tab. Okay, so this is the expiry time, your trade expiry time. There are minimum expiry time is 1 minute and up to 1 month. Okay, and the percentage will be depend on the expiry time. Up to 5 minutes they are giving 89%, and after that you will have only 65%. And this is the invest amount. Like now if you invest $1, if you win, then they will give you $1.89, and if you lost, your $1 will be lost. This is the button for higher option. For example, now your assumption is next candle will be a green, so now you should click the higher option. So for example, here you have placed trade, here you have placed trade higher option, and candle close above this line, it means you are win. And if the candle close, for example, you placed here higher option and candle close lower, so this is your losing trade. Okay, actually in this platform, wherever you place trade, and what does not matter what is the time now, it will close when the candle closed according to the duration. Okay, but Olymp Trade has little different. That's the reason I want to show you Olymp Trade too. So let me show you Olymp Trade. This is the Olymp Trade platform. You can see Euro USD. You can change the pairs or add the pairs by click this button. After click plus button, if you tick the star, then it will add here. Or if you just select this any pairs, this will replace here. You can see trading history by click here traders. This is the chart type, and from here you can add some indicator or just drawing tools here. Just go down, like you want to draw, just okay, like this, and you can split Olymp Trade window is twice like this. Like IQ option you can split 9 up to 9, but here you can split maximum 2. This is the candle times, and this is the invest amount. Here is duration, and this is higher lower, but they use up down. And Main difference between IQ option and Olymp Trade is, if you place trade uh, within 29 seconds in this candle, IQ option will close your position in this candle, end of this candle. But Olymp Trade will not close this trade. Olymp Trade will wait until the expiry time end. So this is the basic of Olymp Trade. Let me show you another platform, MT4. So this is the MT4 chart, basically using for Forex trading. You can see a lot of options are there. So this is the drawing tools and time frame. You can see chart, type of chart. Then from here you can insert some indicator into your template, or from here also. This is the default indicator they provide, but after that you can download some indicator and paste inside of this folder. Then you can see some indicators here. After that you just double click and it will add your template, and you can save the template for later use. Okay, so difference between Forex and binary is, Forex, when you open any position, for example here you open a buy position. If it close above your position, you will be in profit. Otherwise, if close below than your position, then you will be in loss. But Forex, you have some additional controlling here over, like if you have some margin, and even if you are a wrong position, after that also you have chance to uh, close your position in profit. Something like if you place here buy option, but after that it didn't went up and went down here about, say, 120 pips. So after that it gradually, now it's about 60 pips profit here. So if you have margin, you can close your position with profit after wait some times. Okay, so also in binary trading, broker will not charge you any commission, but in Forex you can see they will charge uh, commission, and it depend on some brokers. Okay, and some broker has some standards accounts where they are not uh, have commission, but they are using for actually spread here, like buyers and sellers are in different position. So it's almost same. So at the end, actually you have some controlling in Forex if you have margin. So let me tell you about margin. I have opened only 0 cents position here. They book my margin $2.27, but this is not a real margin, because if you want to buy a 0 cents from the market, you need to pay like unit unit. This is unit 0.01 times current price 13,582. So on point 13,582, then times 100,000. So this is the real price for on cents. Okay, so you need to have at least this much amount in your account, then you can open a position. Okay, otherwise you are not able to open any position. So if this is the case, then most of the trader are unable to trade. That's the reason broker has some option. You can borrow some money from brokers for open a position. Okay, I'm using 500 leverage. It means this is the real price, then 500. So this is the price actually comes after leverage. So leverage is the important things. in Forex. So I hope you understand these things. Okay. So by this way you can control your position in Forex. So now I will discuss about the candle details, how the candle is forming. If we check this in details, okay, this is the actually, let's say this 1 minute candlesticks, and this is the opening price, see, and this is the lowest price, this is the closing price. So this is the graph formation. Now if you convert it in candle formation, then you will have an idea how the candle is forming and what the candle is telling us. So if you check this graph, you will have more idea than you see the candle, because this is the opening starting price, then it's little low, and after that buyers trying, but it didn't made any new high in this candle, then opening price, then buyers sellers entry, buyers are trying but sellers entry again. Here you can see flat movement, and then suddenly buyers entry and candle close here. So if you convert uh, this graph as a 5-second candle, how it looks like, see, this is the first 5 second red candle, second 5 second green candle, then doji, after that red candle, then again red candle, again red candle. Here we can see little small like green candle, then red candle, again red candle, again red, and here we can see doji, after that bullish, bullish, then so now see, if you can check the graph, you will have more idea how the candle moves. So let me clear all these things. So now if you check this is the opening price, lowest price, and at the end close here. So market moves in this range. This is the red candle because closing is lower than the opening price, and this is the complete candle for 1 minute. Okay, if you now uh, convert this candle as a 10 seconds, how it looks like, opening then closing. Here maybe you have small wicks, so this is still doji, again doji, but here we can see red candle, after that this is also red candle. So this two red candle, there is no wicks, still we can see red candle and no wicks. Here we can see doji, after that strong bullish, and then again doji. So this is the 10 seconds candle, and if you convert this candle as a 15 seconds or maybe 30 seconds, so this is the opening price and this is the half of this candle. It means uh, there is no weak strong sellers entry, but after that you can see candle moves here and finally close here. It means this is a green candle for last 30 seconds. So now you can gauge more than only looking the single candles, because I already convert this candle as a 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and now 30 seconds. Okay, so let's see another candle here. Okay, this is another candle, second candle. Here is opening price. As you can see, starting point is here, then lowest price, highest price, closing. Okay, now let's check this candle. This is the opening price for this candle, and lowest price, highest, and closing. So now think about 5 seconds candle. This is the first 5 seconds, red candle, again red candle, again red candle. Still there is no wicks, and here you can see small green candle maybe, and after that there is like doji type candle, upper has small wicks, and then again red candle maybe like this. Then you can see this is a doji candle, green doji. After that you can see little strong green candle, again strong green candle, and here you can see like small rejection by the sellers, and after that finally close as a like red candle. So strong buyer's entry you can see by drawing the candle, 5-second candle, and if you draw here like 15 seconds candle, seller's entry, and there is no any wicks, again entry, and it made a little high, but at the end close here. It means according to this candle, here we can see small wicks. It means buyers trying, but it failed. Again opening, then finally close, like this is the third candle. Lower has small wicks. So this is the red candle. After that also red candle, but we can see some buyers trying. Here sellers trying because these two are red candle, but sellers fail. Again strong buyers entry. So after this strong buyers entry, and if you combine this candle, their buyer got more force and made up to here. At the end there is a candle something like this, because this is the candle, both candle, if you combine these two candle, so at the end you can see some sellers entry too, but finally the candle made a green candle something like this. See, this is the total movement of this candle, and this is the finally candle. So now you can check, if you combine these two candle, what will be the result. Let's see. Now you are looking on the chart for 1 minute candle, but you want to consider as a 2 minute, how the candle will looks like. So this is the opening price for this candle, made a low, but at the end see candle moving, so something like this, and now it is a bullish candle, because this is the opening price here, this is the opening price, and this is the closing price. So this is the blue candle, sorry, green candle, and since market move up to here like this, so this is the center point candle, this is the opening price, and lowest price is, this is the lowest, but this candle has more low, so this is the lower wicks, and this is the closing price at the end, but it made a high here, so this is the upper wick. Now you can see this is the 2 minutes candlesticks. Okay, so this is a green candle, lower side has strong rejection, upper side has small rejection. So we convert this candle 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 30 seconds. We convert this candle as a 15 seconds, and if we convert now as a 30 seconds, so this is opening price, and this is the half of this candle. So on the bottom has small wicks up to this level. So this is the wicks, this is the opening. So this is the first 30, then second 30 it's here. It means this is the wicks and bottom has also little wicks. But this candle, let me clear these things. Okay, so opening and closing, this side has small wicks. Let me make it center, and upper has no wicks. But at the last second we can see this is a candle. Okay, at this candle we can see wicks in the upper side and lower side. So now you can combine. This is a red candle because opening price and closing price is lower than this opening price. So let me draw in green color. So this is the candle for last 30 seconds. So now you can see in 30 seconds we can see engulfing candle. Okay, and if you check these two candles, still this is an engulfing candle. And if we convert this as a 5-second candle, still we can see gradually buyers becoming stronger. So I'll tell you all the details in coming session, but now let's just uh, get some idea about how the candle forms, and during running market how you will get some confirmation, and you don't need to see like a lot of candles. If you was a few candles, or if you was running candle, still you will have some a better idea who is in the power, buyers or sellers. So our mission is to understand who are in the powers. Okay, so if I bring this candle here, this is the red candle, and if we make it together, so this is the candle. Now if you check this single candle or single candle, what you will have idea? I think you will have like 60% idea. But if you combine these two candle, now your idea will be increase. Okay, their chance will be increase. And if you know how the candle is formed, uh, because we are seeing only after forming the candle, and we are uh, trying to predict according to this. But if we know how the candle is forming and who is in the powers, if we check these things, we will understand who is in the powers. So accordingly, if we act, our result will be definitely good. So I will show you some more candle in the running market. So let's move to the running markets. Okay, here is the graph chart. I bring two charts together. This is the candlesticks, and here is graph chart, same pairs. So now if you analyze this area, if you try to understand what happened in this market, this is the candle starting times, and candle moving like this, and this is the closing of this candle. Again, try to go off, but something like this, and candle close where this is kind of doji type candle, and then it's making high and finally close here. It means this is a small bullish candle, and again trying, but finally close here. It's a red candle. Okay, after open here, it's trying to go down, but see it's closed as a bullish candle here. So let me convert this graph as a candlesticks. So let me first draw as a 1 minute candle. This is the opening price. Just move your uh, mind here, something like this. So this is the closing price. It means this candle has a strong bullish. Upper side has only small wicks and lower side is bigger wicks. After that, it started go up, down, then finally close where this is the closing point. Still, this is a red candle, and this time this is the lowest price. It means candle made something like this. This is the highest price. So this is the candle. Okay, now there has strong sellers, but this candle you can see less sellers, and again suddenly went up after opening this candle and close here. It means this is completely bullish candle, but upper side has rejection. Okay, so this candle is no wicks, something uh, like strong candles without wicks. And here we can see this is a closing point. It means opening, closing. This is a green candle. Upper side has strong wicks. Okay, so this is a 1 minute candlesticks. After that, if you convert this candle as a 5 minute, how it looks like: 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the closing price. This is the opening price, this is the closing price. So this candle has this much wicks. Okay, now let's say you are trading with 1 minute chart and you want some confirmation from like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So by looking at this chart, you need to identify this. Like this is the first 10 seconds, second, and maybe third, fourth, fifth. So now see, first candle has upper and lower wicks. This candle is no wicks, and this candle also. This candle has little wicks, and this candle no wicks. Uh, Bullish candle. These two are bullish candle. This is a bearish candle. This candle has also there is no wicks. After that, you can see this is a closing price. It means this is a doji candle, and this is the second candle. Okay, lower side has rejection. So after that, this is a doji candle, also small rejection. Then green candle here, but again we can see close as a red candle with some rejection. Okay, so after that, this is the first candle, strong buyers, again strong buyers, something like this. Again this is a doji but lower wicks, and this candle has upper wicks. This candle is something like doji, lower wicks, and maybe this is a strong sellers candle. So by this way, just analyze and draw some candlesticks, so you will have idea how to read this and how to act with them, because you don't have time to look all the time frame, all the candlesticks. So by looking only one chart or like on time frame, you should understand all the time frame. Okay, now you can see here gradually sellers becoming stronger, but I will tell you all the secret about what you should do when strong candle forms, and when this kind of candle forms, so by this way you need to understand the candlesticks and everything, like when you look at the chart, your mind should be work as a candlesticks too. And when you are looking at the candlesticks, see, this is the candlesticks, but now we can see here only four history, because this is a opening price for this candle, sorry, open price for this candle, this is the highest for this candle, and low close. Now we don't know what happened inside of this candle, and for this candle, this is the opening price. After that, maybe first made a seller's entry, and then it went up to this level and close here, or maybe it went fast up to here, then it went down, again it went up and close here. So there can happen anything, we don't know, because this is already formed. So we don't know what happened in this candle. Okay, that's the reason you need to look at this candle very closely, how it is forming, how it is moving, and by this time you need to draw the things what you are trying to understand by looking this candle. So like now you want to see what happened in 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds candle, but you can identify here also. See, I saw last 30 seconds, I saw some buyer's entry now, and see last 5-second candle made a strong bearish candle. Now you just look at this candle here, see, strong bearish candle, and last 30 seconds there was a buyer's entry, strong buyer's entry. Okay, so by this way you need to understand the candlesticks, like when you look at the 30 minutes, there is strong sellers, but it doesn't mean that that candle formed directly something like this, open price, then it went up and close here. No, there has lot of history, something like this, and then it close here. So if we look at this chart, and if we look at this candle, this is 30 minutes. Okay, and if you make it 30 minutes, so see, maybe this is first 30 minutes candle. So this is the strong candle, upper side has small wicks. Okay, but lower side has no wicks, and this is the next candle, it's forming something like this. It's went down first, maybe first for uh, 10 minutes or something like this, and now it's like a doji type candle with rejection. So now let's see what happened here. Yeah, this is now it's went up already from here to here. That's the reason we can see here green candle. So by this way you need to understand the candlesticks, because why I'm focusing uh, on this chart and this chart lot of times, because our works only with this candlesticks. So you should understand this candlesticks very clearly. There should not have any doubt about identify the candlesticks and what is going on in. See here, now if you draw, there is like green candle, and now it's kind of doji type. See here, yeah, kind of doji type. So when you see this chart, you can identify that candlesticks too. Or when you see these candlesticks, you should have like how to combine this candle. I already explained a lot of times these things, because now this is a 1 minute candlesticks. Okay, so if you want to see the 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you don't have a lot of time to uh, change the chart and take decision. So now we already know this is a 1 minute candlesticks. So if you want to see 2 minute candlesticks, now see, this is the 2 minute, this is the opening price. Let me zoom it a little so that we can identify more. This is a 2 minute candlesticks. So let's start from this left side here. This is the opening price and closing price is here. So this is a doji candle. After that, opening closing same and open here. This is also doji with lower rejection. So closing and opening, this is a bullish candle with some wicks at tops and bottoms, and this is closing opening, it means this is also kind of doji, and closing opening, this is a green candle, closing opening strong sellers candle, closing opening. So there has sellers too, because we can see there is a wicks closing opening. So this candle has both side wicks, closing opening. So lower side has more wicks and upper side is small wicks, closing opening. So something like this. Okay, so by this way, now I'll tell all about this, but you need to understand this chart properly, because this is the base. If you don't know how to convert this chart, how to see the chart, how to read the chart, how to read the candle, you will not able to understand which way you should go. Like after this strong, this is a rejection, it means most of the traders are thinking, okay, this is a level, round number 2, and strong rejection. From here we can see buyers entry, strong rejection, it means I should go with buyers for this candle. Okay, but if you check these things, what you should be do, so I'll tell you everything in coming session. Understand what is happening here. See, strong sellers, you can see strong sellers. So by doing this also, you can draw some levels here too, like this is a level. Okay, every time it's hitting this level and going up, hit the levels, going up again, hit the levels, going up. So you don't need to understand the candlesticks too. Now you can see here movement, and if you look this chart, you will have also idea what is happening in this market. See, for example, this was a downtrend here previously. Okay, it's maintaining all the way, but here you can see trend has been broken here, and before it broken, market already gave you some sign, because every time made a new low, new low. This time didn't made new low, and After hitting, it's trying but finally went up. So this is the sign and this is the breakout candle for this uh, short time frame. Okay, after that still maybe major trend is down, so still it's going down but it's holding this line through, and as soon as hit this level again, see there is flat movement like three bottoms pattern, 1 2 3. Now the market is respecting this level. So if you check only this mass history, you will now understand what you should do here, because strong downtrend, trend has been broken, again it's going down because maybe major trend is down or something is there, but here we can see there is no breakout here in this line, and before breakout it's uh, made a pattern, strong pattern here. See, every time hitting this level, and after that also you can see this is a down, strong sellers, again buyers tried, hit this level, again buyers enter, this time see every time made a new low here, this is a high but this time made low, and this is a high, low, low, it went up and still maintaining this line, but after that see, after that it didn't broke this level. This line will comes later, but it didn't cross this line, trend line, and again it went almost to this level. It means if the market will follow the trend, then this must supposed to not go off. It supposed to back from maybe this level, lower something like this, but it made a same high, and this time see it's gradually making high, but finally here we can see it's broken this line, and this is a support again, and there now is two support, 1 2, and this is 1 2, and now market is following this trend. So by this way you need to understand the candlesticks, and you need to clear about all the doubt how the candlesticks forming and how the history behind this. Okay, now you can see this was a previous trend, now it's broken here, it's trying, and before broken, now you can see before broken, this is every time made high, but here it didn't went up, and little break here, but final again it didn't made even this much high after that break. So everything I will tell you in the coming session. So this is the candlesticks, this is all about candlesticks, how the candlesticks forming, and how it behave, how we should read this uh, candlesticks. Now let me tell you difference between binary and digital options. You can see this is a binary options. By clicking this plus button you can see digital options too. So both they have same pairs, but sometimes winning percentage is little different. So let me pick the highest percentage, 98. So let me first explain the binary options. For example, you have placed here higher option and candle close as a doji. It means the candle close at the level where you have opened your trade. still you will be ITM, meaning in the money. Okay, and if this is a digital options and candle close at the level where your trade was open, there will be no ITM. You will have OTM, meaning out of the money. Okay, so there are actually three, like ATM at the money. So in the digital option, they have no this option, no ITM, only OTM and ATM. Meanings, for example, you have opened here higher option. So candle close at the level, still you will be OTM, and candle close below than this level, still you will be OTM. So when you place higher option in digital option, the candle should close above your entry point to get ATM. Hope you understand the main difference. And also there are some more difference, like for example here okay, let's see, I have placed, oh shit. Okay, no problem. So I have placed here lower option, and you can sell this position up to 45 seconds. It means when the candle remaining 15 seconds, like still you can close it with losses 25, now 16. So when still there is 1.5 minute record, because I placed it for next candle, somehow I placed the next second, that's the reason uh, here I can see 1 more minute. So still you have chance to close this position with this much losses. Okay, let's close this candle. I supposed to place in this candle, but somehow it placed the next candle. Okay, see, still you have this option enable, and it will remain more 10 seconds. After that you will not able to close your position. So I placed actually for this candle, but somehow it's, see, now there is no options to close your trade. Now either it will close with loss or with profit, it's up to that. Okay, so as you can see, you can close your position binary up to 45 seconds. And in digital there is no ITM, you already know. So now I will place on trade after this candle, then I will explain uh, more about this, so you will understand more. Okay, still 20 seconds remaining for this candle, then I will place trade to make you understand. Doesn't matter whether I will in profit or loss, just I want to place trade. Okay, let's see my analysis, it will go up for example, and I have placed trade. Now see, I can close this trade until 59 seconds. It means till last second also I can place, I can close this trade with this much losses. If I close now, I will be 29 cents profit, 30, 28, so 24. Okay, now see that trade close with 33 cents. Okay, so after place your trade, immediately you can close when you have profit and you have some doubt to this trade. See, when I close, it was here with 33 cents profit. Okay, but if the trade remaining open, I will be full profit. But sometime it can be here. So if you have any doubt, you can close after, until 59 seconds. It means before they close, you can close. Also, there has another options like this is 98 for general, whether you want to go with buyers or sellers. But there has another features too. Just click the show all. Now you will have some option. This is the current price. If you want to sell it here, now the higher percentage and lower percentage is different. See, if you go higher at this price, they will give you 268% if the candle close above this level. But you can place lower option here. If the candle close below then this level, you will get this much profit. For example, you have some doubt about this trade. Maybe this candle surely will not cross this level. Now you can go with sellers here, even still you will have 46%. Okay, it's every second it's price will change because every after movement it will recalculate. See, now if you go with buyers, so if you click here, the trade will not place here, it will place here. Okay, at this price. Now you can see this candle is above this price now. Okay, let's see. I want to go with buyers from this level. For example, if I go with buyers, they will give you 20, now 18%. So if candle close even red and close here, still you will have this amount in your pocket. And now if you pick the lower option, they will give you 566%. It means for $1 they will give you $5.56 if candle close below than this line. Now see, if candle close below than this line, they will give you this much. So actually this is good options. You can predict, and maybe when you have like 30-40% uh, winning percentage, you can go with buyers. Now we can go with buyers because this candle will not close below than this number. So you will have still 10%, 20% or 30%, something like this. So this is the difference between binary and digital. Okay, now idle, there will be general uh, winning ratio for buyers or sellers.